Welcome back, guys. So the other day I discovered this screw in my tire and decided this would be a great opportunity to learn how to patch my own tire using this Smittybilt tire repair kit, which I've had as part of my recovery gear for a while now. Let me just start by sharing some of the content that's in this kit. So starting with the pliers, I'm going to carefully remove the screw. At this point, I was expecting air being released from the tire, but that wasn't the case. So I decided to check a little further using some soap and water and spraying it on the tire and checking to see if I see any bubbles.
No bubbles.
So with the screw not penetrating through the tire, I decided to leave it as is. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to grab a spare tire I have laying around so I can continue with learning how to patch a tire. So since this tire does not have a hole, we need to make one. So I'm not sure what happened to the footage, but the first thing you're going to do, you're going to want to use pliers to remove the screw or nail. Then with the reamer tool, you're going to want to apply some lubricant. Once you got that done, you're going to use your reamer tool and even out the hole, which will allow for the plugs to fit in a little better. Now you're going to grab one plug as well as your insertion tool. Using your pliers, you're going to want to take your plug and slide it through your insertion tool. This may take some time, but it'll fit. Once you got it through, try to get it as close to center as possible. Now you're going to want to push your insertion tool in, and once your plug is about 2/3 through, then carefully pull it out. Then using the folding knife provided, you can simply just cut the excess. And there you have it. My spare tire is plugged. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any feedback to share, please feel free to leave a comment down below. As I said in the beginning, this is the first time I've done this. This is just me learning to use my recovery gear. So yeah, if there's something that I missed or if there's something that I did wrong, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I appreciate any and all feedback. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.